Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to make DNS changes in Siteground quickly and easily. First, open your browser, head to siteground.com and click the login button at the top right. Go to your dashboard and select Site Tools for the website you want to manage. Inside Site Tools, look at the left sidebar and click on Domain. From there, choose DNS Zone Editor. This is where you'll see all your current DNS records. To make changes, click Manage DNS Records. You can edit existing records or add new ones like A records, CNAMES, or MX records, depending on your needs. Just enter the required details carefully and save your changes. Keep in mind, DNS updates may take some time to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if you don't see changes instantly. And that's it. DNS changes in Siteground. Thanks for watching.